Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to go about displaying or showing your favorite sounds publicly on TikTok. So if you want to allow everyone to see on your profile page what sounds you have marked as your favorite, in today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to make that modification in the settings. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. So all you have to do is open up your TikTok profile here. If you're unfamiliar with how to get to your profile page, just select the profile button at the bottom right, and then select the hamburger icon at the top right. Left click on that, and select settings and privacy. And now underneath account, select the privacy button, and then underneath interactions, you want to scroll down to favorite sounds. Go ahead and select that. If you want to make that public, just click inside the oval one time to toggle it to the right. If you want to turn it off, toggle it to the left. Pretty straightforward process on that, guys. And that's all you have to do. So as always, thank you guys for watching this brief tutorial. I do hope I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.